Hello everyone. So today in this video we'll learn about how we can download or print a document and what all print options that we are providing in TaxTMI. So suppose I want to print a document or a case. Let us take any case. And here are four options: note, bookmark, share and print. If I click on print, then these are all the options. And if I do not choose any option, then either I can just press enter on my keyboard or I can click on this print or download button. So when I click on it, it is showing me that these are like 11 pages. So now a print preview will open once the all the print options are being applied. So here are multiple options as well, and these are browser specific. So this either I can save as PDF or Microsoft Print to PDF. Now these two are separate options. If I save it as PDF and click on save, then it shows me this dialog box with the TMI citation coming as the file name. And if I click on save, then the file gets downloaded and this is how it is shown. So if I click on this open file, then the file gets opened and all the links present in this are clickable. And here is the head note, then the case content, and in the end will be present all the cases that are cited. So these the cases cited are also clickable and they can be opened into the new tab. So whereas if I choose the option of Microsoft Print to PDF, then this does not, first it has increased the number of pages which was initially coming as 11, now it is coming as 12. So the links that will be present in this will not be clickable. So suppose if I click on the print, first it will not show any file name by which I can download it. I have to manually enter the file name. Hence, that is why we should prefer save to PDF. And if I click on save, naming it as TMI case, then I have to manually go in downloads and open it. And when I click on it, then the links present in this will not be clickable. I suppose I can then choose my font size also if I want very minimal font size, minimal margins, and lesser line height also. And if I click on print and download, then it will show me a print preview with 10 sheets of paper, which was initially 11. And this is how you can see in the preview that there are very less margins, line height, and the font size. And in the end are the TMI citations. And if I don't want to save the TMI citations, then I can simply enter here as 1 to 9 pages, and the TMI citations will not get printed. And here I may just click on cancel. And for further options, I can increase my line height to 2, font size to large, margins to default, and only the full text that I want to print. And if I click on print and download, it is showing me 20 sheets of paper. And this you can see that the line height between them has increased. And this is the whole case, and this is how it will get printed. Here you may choose either you want to download the AI summary and the full text, head note and the full text, and only the full text. If I click on cancel, the dialog box has disappeared. And only in the case laws are we getting the option to choose what all content that we want to print. Otherwise, if you go to any other document, then this option does not come, and only the option of line height, font size, and margins come. And accordingly, you may print choosing the relevant or the required options that are useful at that time. Thank you so much.